Good afternoon, students. You're closing in on the finish line of your capstone course as well as your BSN degree here at NCU. Thank you for all the good work you've done to date on your projects and in this course. Moving forward, please note that your third and final forum discussion will be centered on evaluation. In this forum, you will be discussing how critical thinking and/or ethical discernment was integrated or used throughout your project. To help direct your discussion, please see the NLN Definition of Terms document posted in week 9-10 of the course. In this document, you will find critical thinking and ethical discernment defined. And I hope that you will find these definitions useful to construct your responses to the forum questions. In particular, forum question number 1. The NLN document will also be useful as you complete your student final evaluation in this course. Looking at forum question number 2, you're going to be asked to discuss how you met the Nurse 499 course objectives. And these objectives are located in the course syllabus on page 1 to 2. And I anticipate that you will discuss how you met each of the 8 course objectives in your post. So I'm looking for a response in this posting about how you met each of the 8 objectives in Nurse 499. I also would like to let you know, as soon-to-be graduates of the RN to BSN program here at NCU, in the weeks ahead, you're going to be receiving a link via email to the Undergraduate Nursing Education Exit Assessment Survey. As part of our ongoing accreditation process, as well as continuous quality improvement, we are sending this survey to students at the end of their RN to BSN program as a way to gather information about your learning in this program, as well as your experience here at NCU. This survey is really important to us here at NCU, and I really encourage you to be on the lookout for that email and to take time to thoughtfully and truthfully respond to the questions on that survey. In addition to the exit survey that you'll be receiving in just a few weeks, you will also be receiving the Undergraduate Nursing Alumni Assessment Survey. And this survey is a little bit different than the first one that you're going to receive, in that we're going to ask you to tell us how what you learned during your RN to BSN degree here at NCU has impacted your career. So both the exit and the alumni survey are required by our CCNE accreditors. We need a way to have students have input into our program and to provide an avenue for that, and we have selected these 2 surveys to gather that information. I thank you in advance for taking the time to complete both the exit and the alumni surveys when they appear in your inbox. I will be sending both of these surveys to your NCU email account, as well as any other email address that you have provided to NCU. And by the way, speaking of NCU email addresses, did you know that your NCU email address is going to be active and available to you forever and ever? The only caveat is that every 6 months you need to change your password. So be on the lookout for that, and don't hesitate to check in on NCU every now and then after you graduate. Finally, I'd like to remind you of the Blessing of the Hand ceremony that is coming up. I hope you can attend. The dress is academic regalia, so be sure to come dressed in your robe, your caps, and your gowns. Please feel free to invite as many family members and friends to come to the ceremony as you'd like. There's plenty of room in NCU's chapel. Everybody is welcome. This is the one special time we have during all of the graduation festivities to honor nursing graduates and to take a professional picture of you as graduates, which is going to be displayed here on the NCU campus. And I sincerely hope that you will clear your schedule to come to the Blessing of the Hand ceremony. It's a wonderful special time, and I look forward to seeing you there. So don't hesitate to contact me if you have any questions, anything comes up in the future as we wrap up this course. Okay, thank you.